Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you do hear background noise, I do apologize for that because I'm watching baseball right now. So let's stay on the topic. So I got this mouse. Yes, this is the Razer Viper V3 Pro. I tried this mouse before, but then went on the Elo Shape website, and I really do love the Lamzu Maya X 8K. I think that's going to be my go-to mouse. I was going to get the Fanatic, but it's not going to be available until November. I said, you know what? This is the risk I'm willing to take, because the advantage is if you buy something in the store, like a Microsoft or Best Buy, you put a warranty on it, something happens, you're going to go to the store the same day. Now, the bad thing is when you go with a company like Lamzu that, you know, it has 1 year, but then also you could put, like, if you buy it from Amazon, you could put a 3-year protection plan, but it's going to take a while. So I kind of wanted to have the same feel that I had with the Lamzu, because I tell you the truth, that mouse, the Lamzu, it is one of my favorite shapes. It's so comfortable. I can easily palm that mouse without a problem. And I never felt discomfort. And also aiming on it was awesome. Just pure awesome. I cannot wait to give the review. Now, I don't want to wait all the way to November. So I decided to went with the gray Lamzu, because that was the color I wanted to go with at first. And I was like, you know what? They had the black one. I just wanted to try out to see if it works, and it does. So now I am just gonna go with that color, and it's up to you guys. I'll put it down in the comments. I'll put it down if you guys want to cast a vote. If you want me to make a video of the my X8K in the gray version, you let me know, and I'll do it. It's a possibility. I don't think it's not really necessary to make another video, but again, it's up to you guys. I'm giving you the option right there if you want to. Now, the reason why I went with this mouse is because I went to the Elo Shapes website, which you can compare different shapes, and I find it that this mouse is similar than the Maya X8K. Even though I like the Maya 8K more, but according to that website saying this will fit me perfectly, but I just want to have this as a backup. Just in case that the Maya I need to do an RMA, then I got a backup that I can use this and not kind of mess it up, and then, you know, it takes a few days for you to get used to it. So I went with this thing. So let's open up this bad boy. I thought by now this should have something to peel this, and unfortunately I did not bought a knife to do this. But we're gonna have a little bit of patience. One is off. So in the meantime, while I'm trying to open this thing up, not to bore you guys to death, is the good thing that you can go, the good thing about this mouse, you can go 8K wireless. And I kind of like what not other mouse are doing, that you give the option that you could play in game mode. When you're in game, it will set up whatever Polaroid you set it up. So let's say you want to play 8K only in game, but then once you're in desktop, sync it back down to 1000 hertz. That way you can save on battery, which is awesome, because for somebody like me, let's say that I do forget to switch the Polaroid back from, you know, 2000, well actually 4000 to back to 2000 or maybe 1000. I kind of like how this mouse, I don't know the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro can do it, but I know with this one you can have the option to in Windows that you can switch it to 1000 only, and then like wherever Polaroid you want to set up in game. So it's up to you. So let's continue open this up. The mouse itself, very, very light. Let's do a quick sound test. Side buttons. All right. Done. One thing I love about this mouse is the big ass mouse feet, which is awesome. This is your on and on switch. Also, you could toggle your DPI. different stages of the DPI. At the top right here, that's another LED indication that tells you, you know, what DPI at, or flashes red, tells you that your mouse is about to die. Also, this is the AK wireless dongle. Now you could set this up to have bear with me, Jesus, my brain fart there for a second. Okay, now remember, there's an LED that tells you, you know, you have two options. It will tell you the battery life of it, or it will tell you that a white steady light tells you that the mouse is just steady connected. So those are the two options you have right there. You can use that as to remind you what level your battery's at, and also a flash red as well to let you know that your thing's about to die and you better connect it before it dies on you. Nice power cord, USB type A to USB type C. Nice. Also comes with more user guide. It comes with user guide. Also comes with grip tape. Doesn't come with extra mouse feet, unfortunately. Bummer, but it would be nice, especially when you're paying almost about $150 for this mouse, that it should come with extra mouse feet, because come on, you're literally coughing up a lot of money to get this mouse. So you see, it comes with grip tape, stickers, and that's it. That's what comes in the box. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna stop my camera right here for a second, and I will get this thing set up and ready to go. Stand by, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got the mouse ready to go. As you see right here, a little indication right there. Really, really comfortable. It is basically the larger version of the Lanzu My X 8K. I am going to get that mouse. I should get it by the end of next week. And I'm really excited to try it. If you guys want me to do the video, as I mentioned earlier, you can answer it down in the comment section. Says, please, can you do the unboxing video of the gray version of the Lanzu My X, and I will do so. Till then, I'm just using this mouse until I get that mouse and then put this mouse away just to have a backup. But I really want to say goodbye to Ergos, because I really love how this mouse feels in my hands. Well, actually, I like the My Butter, but you get what I mean. So take care, guys. Any questions, you can answer them down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, enjoy the rest of the weekend. Goodbye.